Hey YouTube, this is Andrea here.
And the other Andrea.
Woo
Hello.
woo! Welcome back
Oh God.
to the do.
You don't even know the song.
Hi everybody. We hope you guys had a great Friday. Today is Friday for us. We had to do this a little early. I didn't want to do it on Saturday or Sunday because of course Easter. So let's get her done. We are working with a new kit made by Drea. It's called Glamazon. And it's all about being glamorous.
Yes.
With your makeup.
And it's all hand drawn. All my kits are hand drawn.
Here's the first sheet. Here's your second sheet. Here's your third sheet.
With itty bitty deco.
That's so cute. The lips and the lashes and stuff.
Yeah, it's cool.
That is very cool. This is one of my favorites. I love the numbers and the words.
Thank you.
Whoops.
And those are handwritten.
I love it.
Thanks.
Nice penmanship.
Thank you. It actually took a lot longer than it should have. But my handwriting's always been kind of bad.
That's so cool.
Thank you.
It doesn't suck.
No, it doesn't suck. That's the great part.
That was from a movie.
Oh, I don't remember which one, but I do know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't suck.
Yeah, exactly.
I think it was something with Ryan Reynolds. Sounds like something
he would say.
Yeah, because he's so sarcastic in his movies. It's funny though.
What's that movie he's starring in recently?
Deadpool.
Deadpool. Man, they have a lot of curse words and stuff.
It's a good movie though. They're both good movies. The sequel too.
So let's go ahead and zoom you in a little bit. Oh, wrong way.
Let's push you away. That's fine. You don't
there
need
we
to
go. Let's get to decorating. Let's decorate. I like to put on my pretty stickers. Let's go with...
As opposed to her ugly stickers that I
make. That's right. No freaking ugly stickers.
That's right.
That's Monday. So I have to keep this top part open.
Yeah, because I have an appointment.
Thursday, I can put it on there. And Wednesday and Tuesday. You know, maybe I'll take Monday off. Here. So I have Tuesday, Thursday. And Saturday and Sunday. So we have appointments. So we must find our appointment girl.
Appointment Bibbles.
Look who it is! It's Mrs. Bibbles!
Yay!
Yay! That's our appointment girl. Oh, shoot. Shoot. Don't stick. Okay. Shoo. Just leave it to me. Her there.
Cute.
Then there's one for Friday.
Yep, Monday to Friday.
So tell us how you drew at this one.
The appointment Bibbles? Or the kit?
The kit.
I actually sketched it in a notepad, or not notepad, in a notebook, and it was just a bunch of random doodles, and then I redrew it in Affinity Photo, which is kind of like Photoshop, only much cheaper.
Nice.
But it's definitely a comparable program.
That's cool.
Yeah. And then I made the kit.
Yay!
It was magical. And I hear my honey getting food.
He's gonna be in here in a minute, y'all.
That'll be funny.
He's gonna be hello.
He will be hellos. That's how we say hello. We say hellos.
Hellos.
And I go hellos. And then we're just cute and stupid. It's awesome.
Yes, and it's good to be that way.
Yes.
So what's coming up next? Ooh, you guys, she has some exciting stuff coming up.
Sure. I have no idea. I have nothing planned right now. What? Oh, I have another girl, only this time she's a fairy, and she's going to be doing what Bibbles does, which is the different functional stickers, and her name is Fae.
Yay!
I've already made Shopping Fae, which is adorable, and Play Button or Upload Fae, which is also adorable. I have several more Faes to go, though.
She's got a gang of fays. So when do you think they'll be released? Like in
The first Fae?
in
First couple Faes will be released soon. Not sure yet. And there's my boyfriend.
No.
Yes, I can hear him.
Catch him. Tell him we're recording a video.
Oh. Okay.
I mean, he could say hello, but
Well, he won't say anything else.
yeah, I know. I just don't want him like tripping and falling.
He's not gonna trip and fall. He's not klutzy.
All right, then you got me these little boxes and these little boxes.
Tons of little boxes. And the ones with the triangles are also appointment labels.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I want a little box there and one down here.
You should totally use the time to plan text sticker on
Saturday,
whatever day that we
time to plan?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you for pointing that out.
You're welcome. Because it is adorable.
It really is.
Or it is Adorabibbles. Because
Adorabibbles?
Bibbles is adorable.
Yes. Oh, we do have a payday, so let's go ahead and put in our numbers and figure out what day that
And there
is.
is a payday.
Here's the 22nd, right?
Mm-hmm. There is a payday star.
Yes, there is. That's what made me say there's a payday coming out.
You know you have number stickers.
Oh,
Uh-huh. That's okay.
ew. I have number stickers.
Drea reminds her. I don't know why I'm speaking in the third person. That was kind of weird.
Yeah, you're weird.
I am kind of weird. It's okay.
Okay, let me see.
They're tiny, mini tweezers.
I got nails.
You do have nails. Oh, that's a perfect fit. Yay.
Yay!
Mind you, I should know that it's a perfect fit. I made them for those little boxes.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
I like the printed one. It's better than my handwriting anyway.
Same here. No.
You like it better, everybody?
No. Obviously. Better than my handwriting.
She's such a cool, y'all.
I don't even know what that means.
Crazy cool.
Okay.
Put our numbers on.
Oh, shut up, Kiki. We have the noisiest cats.
Yeah. Yeah. That was quick. I was quick about it.
I have a video on my YouTube channel.
That's right. Drea did a video, y'all, on her creating a sticker.
Design with me, and it was Shopping Bibbles, who will be released this week sometime. And so, go check it out. It's a short video, but it's really cool. It was fun to make. I'm excited.
It is so cool, you guys. Just check out the artistic things that people do when they're creating stuff. And this one is really cool. She says she's going to do them a lot.
Yeah, I'm going to try to do one every week. At least one video a week. Because I have a lot of stickers planned out. And so that makes just for a lot of videos. So stay tuned.
I'll put her link down in the description box, guys, so you can check her out. I'm gonna use this.
That is so cute.
See? Time to plan.
Yeah.
Little clock.
It's cute.
See that?
Okay. Plus, I'm not blind. I can see.
Yeah. Alright, we have a doctor's appointment at
11.
11 a.m. on Monday.
And then because I am blind, an eye exam on Friday.
And Friday.
At
9 a.m.
9 in the
Whoa.
morning.
That sucks.
It does suck. And that's when they open. Because it's in the mall.
Wow.
So I may have to wait to go in. But oh well. At least I made the appointment.
Yeah.
Cute.
Now, I have other stuff to use. I'm going to use the nail polish because I really do need to do my nails over. And let's do it on lipstick day.
That is adorable.
We'll do it on Thursday.
Look at that. That's adorable.
That's so cute.
They came out way tinier than I expected. But they came out really cute.
So I'm going to use these open mouth
Lips.
And I'm going to get my lips filled in.
She's not getting her lips filled.
On Tuesday.
That's not a thing here.
Then I have some eyeshadow that I'll wear for the first time ever
Which is also a lie.
on Sunday.
You're terrible.
There we go. On our little lipstick.
Which she will put on for no reason on
We'll give it to Bibbles.
Friday. Yes. There he is.
There we go. Alright, so I have my appointments. We have our payday. I'll just double check, make sure I've used everything that I want to use.
Cha-ching. No, I'm kidding.
Cha-ching!
It's our favorite sound from the Etsy app.
Okay, dishes. My turn.
The day after
Today?
tomorrow.
I already
You
did
it
them. Okay.
Tuesday,
So tomorrow is Saturday?
So Sunday.
So Sunday. So
But this is the wrong week.
Sunday, so then it would be Tuesday.
Yeah. What is that boy doing? He's
Tuesday,
letting the dogs.
Thursday,
She's so tiny.
Saturday.
Got a lot on Saturday.
Yeah,
It's time to plan everything on Saturday.
that's it. So, and then we're going to upload this one. I'm going to have it scheduled to go up on Saturday, which is tomorrow.
But that's the wrong week.
Yeah,
That's the wrong
but I'm
Saturday.
doing it every Saturday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I'm just going to stick it in the middle. There we go.
Cute.
Because I do other videos that go up too.
Yeah.
Well, this is our plan with me, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. We'll be glad to answer them for you. And don't forget to check out Drea's video on the design with me for her stickers.
Yes, please. It'll be cool.
It'll be cool. Have a great one. Bye.
Bye.